Recently, Government of India has launched a new scheme under the name of NPS Vatsalya. What is this scheme and what does this offers? जानेंगे इस वीडियो में. But before starting the video, if you think by any means we are bringing value to you, please consider subscribing to this channel and do not forget to share this video, because a small subscription of yours will help us in bringing more such valuable and beautiful contents for you. First, we'll discuss about withdrawal, exit and death. Withdrawal up to 25% of contribution, that is after a lock-in period of 3 years, is allowed only for the purpose of education, specified illness and disability, which will be maximum of 3 times. Upon attainment of age of 18 years, it would seamlessly be shifted to NPS Tier 1 under all citizens model. Now, exit is allowed on the attainment of 18 years of age under two options. 80% of the corpus is utilized for the purchase of annuity and 20% can be withdrawn as a lump sum amount. In this case, the entire corpus can be withdrawn as a lump sum. The entire corpus would be returned to the guardian. Now, what are the salient features of the scheme? It's a saving cum pension scheme which would be regulated and administered by PFRDA, that is Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority. All minor citizens age up till 18 years. Account can be opened in the name of minor and can be operated by guardian, and minor will be the sole beneficiary. NPS Vatsalya account can be opened through points of presence, which includes major public sector banks, private banks, Indian Post, pension funds, etc. Also through online platform, that is eNPS. KYC of the guardian, which shall be proof of identity and address, like Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, voter ID card, Manrega job card, national population register. Again, date of birth, proof of minor, which could be birth certificate, school leaving certificate, matriculation certificate, PAN and passport. If the guardians are NRI, then NRE NRO bank account, which could be solo or joint of the minor. Opening contribution will be minimum ₹1,000 and no upper limit, and subsequent contribution could be minimum ₹1,000 per annum and no upper limit. Guardian can choose any of the pension funds registered with PFRDA according to their choice. Now, there are 3 choices under this. Default, moderate life cycle fund, that is with 50% equity. Guardian can choose here aggressive with 75% equity, moderate with 50% equity, or conservative with 25% equity. Here, guardian can actively decides allocation of funds across equity up to 75%, corporate debt up to 100%, government securities again up to 100%, and alternate assets up to 5%. So I hope this was the nutshell about the scheme and has given you a brief idea about the scheme. For more such contents, do not forget to subscribe again to our channel and follow us for more such updates. Thank you for watching the video.